Do you love the idea of your kids doing more arts and crafts in your homeschool, but you hate cleaning up afterwards? Well, I've got a little hack for you today that will make that cleanup a snap. Using something that we call our messy mat. So basically the idea of a messy mat is using a reusable tablecloth. This one is one of the vinyl tops, and then it's got the soft underside. You want to get your messy mat out anytime you're doing anything that's going to make a mess. So we've got it right now. She's using it for doing Play-Doh, but we use it also when we're painting or making crafts. By it being on a vinyl tablecloth, it is so easy to wipe it down when you're done, or if it's unwashable paint or something like that, or markers that don't come off, you get it on the mat instead of on your table. So you don't have to worry about the kids spilling things or making a mess because it's on a disposable tablecloth that you really don't care about anyway. The cool thing about using it with Play-Doh like she's doing today, Play-Doh, always has all those little crumbs that you end up with that just make a mess all over the place and are kind of a pain. But with the messy mat, you can just take it outside and shake it off, and then you are done with your cleanup. Now, I can't claim that I made up this idea. I actually heard it when I was going to MOPS, which is a Mothers of Preschoolers group, about 10 years ago. Right away when I heard it, I went out and bought one of these mats and started using it in our home. They're super inexpensive, so that's the nice thing about these. I like that they're not just the really thin plastic ones that you get at the dollar store, because those rip really easily and you probably will only get one use out of it. But if you invest just a few more dollars, I think these are probably $7 to $10, you can use it for years and years and years. We have had this one for at least 10 years and it is still going strong. So I highly recommend you getting one of these messy mats and trying them in your homeschool and see how much easier it is to clean up your arts and crafts mess. Thanks so much for watching today. Bye.